everyone, welcome back to Daily English with Diana. How are you today? Last time we talked about some bad sleeping habits. Today we are going to learn more about them. Let's get started. Number 1, drool. Drool. D-R-O-O-L. D-R-O-O-L. To drool means when mouth water comes out of your mouth. You can say, Yucky, you drooled all over your pillow. Yuck, you drooled all over your pillow. Or, don't play with that dog, it drools all the time. Don't play with that dog, it drools all the time. Number 2, wet your bed. Wet your bed. Wet, W-E-T, wet, W-E-T. If you wet your bed, it means you peed in your sleep. You can say, I was too tired, so I wet my bed last night. I was too tired, so I wet my bed last night. Or, you are too old to wet your bed. You are too old to wet your bed. Number 3, blanket hug. Blanket hug. Blanket, B-L-A-N-K-E-T. B-L-A-N-K-E-T. Blanket. Hug. H-O-G. Hug. H-O-G. A hug is someone who takes more than they need. So, a blanket hug is someone who takes all the blankets while sleeping. Are you a blanket hug? What about your family? Let me share something funny. I have a dog and a cat, and my cat is a blanket hug. How selfish, right? You can say, my husband is a blanket hug. My husband is a blanket hug. Okay, review time. Let's practice what we learned today. Yuck, you drooled all over your pillow. Yuck, you drooled all over your pillow. I wet my bed last night. I wet my bed last night. Are you a blanket hug? Are you a blanket hug? That's all for today. I hope you liked today's lesson. If you have any questions, leave a comment or send me a message. See you next time. Bye!